In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Zoom G3XN to AMP. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Zoom device in conjunction with an AMP. All that you have to do is establish a physical connection between both devices using the proper cable. So if you look at the rear of your Zoom G3XN, you will have plenty of options to connect different devices. So you can connect a guitar through this port, you will be able to use aux-in for portable music players and so on, and of course, the focus of this video, an amp. So to connect an amp, you will have to use this port here, where it says L/mono, or what they call the phone's jack. So on the output ports, you will be able to connect it here. Now, the jack that you need to use, or the cable, is a standard guitar jack cable. You can look for specific models if you wish, or just look for generic guitar jack cables and you will be able to find it. Now, on your amp, look for the input port and then plug one end of this cable into this port. The other end of the cable is going to go into the port that I talked about previously on the output of your Zoom G3XN. And now you can connect a guitar if you wish, for example, and it's the same way with the same cable. You plug one end into the input port on the G3XN and then it goes into the guitar. And as long as you establish these physical connections, you are good to go. You can now use it, and if you would like to monitor it over the Guitar Lab software, you need to use a USB port. So as you can see, if you want to connect it to a computer, laptop, you have to use it through this port. So you plug one end of the USB cable here, the other one goes into your computer, and as soon as you open the Guitar Lab software, it is going to be detected. Now in this example here, or this screenshot, I have the G1X4, but of course it is going to natively work with the G3XN as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Zoom G3XN to AMP. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.